Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily pixelate a photo in Canva. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just add a photo in Canva, click on it, then go to Effects. When you're in Effects, what you want to do is just go here and click on Pixelate. You will have it right here. And then what you want to do is just add the Pixelate and voila. Then just click Pixelate and it will automatically adjust. And then you got it easy. You can play around with how many pixels you want. It's really up to you. But then you have like palette, grain, dots. I mean, these dots are cool. These are really cool. Micro. So many of them. You have so many effects here that you can like liquefy. I love them. Huh? Oh, duotone. Let's see what it's like. So this is how we make it. I'm just messing with it right now. Bad TV. That's not that good. Rainbow. So this is how we make it. Thank you very much everybody. Have a great day and see ya.